Master Soldering Iron. Oxygen-free, copper-based soldering tips, with thick iron and chrome plating, drastically increase tip lifespan and conduct more heat to the end of the tip for more efficient soldering and shrinking of wire connectors. Equivalent to a 20 to 80 watt electric iron, this heat tool can remove surface mount components, shrink tubing and specialty connectors, solder into solder, repair vinyl, spot dry, cut materials and more. Number 4. Weller Soldering Station. High performance, analog soldering station, produces up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, to handle many soldering projects. Variable power control, dial adjusts power from 5 watts to 40 watts for accuracy. Number 3. ShineNow Soldering Station Kit. Heats up to 300 Celsius degree in 8 seconds, quick thermal recovery. Portable soldering iron station, compact design, lightweight. CW1 Extra 2xt12 tip, a tube of solder wire. This soldering station displays show no iron unless you install soldering tip true. There is a correct installation method in the picture 4. Number 2. Hakko Digital Soldering Station. Brand name, Hakko. Color blue, yellow. Included components: station power supply, iron holder, sponge, waterless cleaner. Item weight, 2.60 pounds. Number 1. Weller Soldering Gun Kit. 6-second heat up means your tip is ready for solder almost immediately, no waiting. 3 built-in LEDs provide a spotlight on your project and help eliminate tip shadow. The co-molded perfect fit pistol grip features a soft, non-slip grip and great ergonomic feel. Weller's 7-year warranty, another reason to trust a great legacy brand.